Hello and welcome back. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to calculate the mean of all the digits, right? It was similar to sum of all digits. Okay, so we will be using something similar. Okay, so sum will be, let's say 0 for now, right? And we will need the count to get the integer count for it. Okay, count will be 0. Okay, why was that? Why do we need count? Because we need to count the number of digits as well, right? And we will need the sum as well. So this will be num, which should be greater than, until it is greater than 0, we run the loop, right? And of course, we will need to find the sum. That means sum will be plus equals to what? Number modulo 2, I mean not 2, 10, right? We need to get the remainder from the digits, right? We need to basically remove the digits every time, just the remainder of it. Next thing is we need to do number and divide by number. We need to reassign it number by 10, right? That's what we need to do as well. We could simply do this as well, right? Next, what else? We need to do count as well. Okay, count plus equals to 1, right? That should be done as well. And at the very end, we need to return something, but what we should return is sum divided by count. Okay, that's what we want to return, right? Let's run the code. Great, great. It expected that, but our result was like that, so it's fine, I guess. So we were giving out a double kind of thing, but it's fine. I mean, float. Okay, so that's how we solved it. Let's see how other people solved it. Okay, I hope you understood this code because I have explained it earlier as well. If you have not understood it, do check out the other video. You'll understand from there. The other video is sum of digits. Okay, this guy has done something similar. Hard coded one over here, huh? That's not good, buddy. You need to have a count variable as well, right? Not all the solution that you see will be correct. This is also hard coded, not good. Using pointers over here, that's great. But using function, right? Without using function also we can get it done. So that's how I did it. If you find any confusion in this, do comment down below. I'll definitely try to help you out. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.